today, this video, I have really special guest for you guys.
Hi Sunshine, I'm Ty and I'm here with Josh and we've just done a 3-stage makeup tutorial.
今天我有一位外国朋友，他因为之前看了我一些网络上自己画的步骤教学，所以他今天很有兴趣的来到我家。所以我们想尝试，如果你今天有想要去一个像 party 的，尤其是圣诞节快到了，你想画一个比平常更亮眼的照片的话，那我们今天的步骤教学你就不要错过咯。
See, my nose is widened.
It's not that bad.
So that's why I like it to look a little bit smaller maybe.
Okay.
Just a slightly bit.
Now we're gonna start from clean your face first.
Okay.
So without the water, we just start from the toner. Did you have anything on your face right now?
Just a little bit of moisturizer.
Oh, that's okay. This is moisture toner as well.
Okay. And should you be using toner every time you're going to apply makeup?
It's from M.A.C. This is called point. Point is like before you put on your foundation.
Okay, yeah.
So close your eyes. 3, 2, go.
It's nice.
You don't have much dark circle, eyes circle?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Just a little bit here.
Yeah. So now I'm going to help you to light it up.
Okay.
And I will paste. So first of all, we don't want to cover too up under here because it's the most color appear.
Yeah.
We don't want to go right away straight up.
No.
They will make your eyes too small.
Okay.
And cover on the top. This will make it more lighter.
Well, that's actually quite a good match, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And with makeup for men, it doesn't have to be heavily applied.
No.
Is that right?
Yeah.
It's like a light application.
Yeah. You just want to cover some, maybe you have the
Like tired,
acne,
or tiredness.
scarf. For example, today's Thanksgiving.
Yeah, or for like special occasion.
Too much drinks. Here's a little bit wrinkle and we can apply a little bit color like cold yellow.
Okay.
So we just do that. It's beautiful.
Of course, there's not too many wrinkles. Yeah, hey,
No, just a little bit.
just a little. And so this is what, blending?
Yeah, and blending gently. Just want to make the edge side more soft. You don't have any pimples.
I'm trying to be good. I have actually tried to reduce the amount of sugar.
See, I got many pimples. You
I
just need
I
a
just
little
watch
bit.
how much sugar I take because I find that when I have too much sugar, then I get pimples. Yeah. Everyone is different though.
Start from the foundation.
Is this foundation?
This is the foundation.
Okay.
But it's very, very light because you have the mustache. We're not going to apply on the top.
No.
We're not going to, but we definitely need it somewhere. Still want to make the skin tone and color.
I'm quite surprised the foundation feels very light.
Is it?
I thought it would
This
feel...
is from M.A.C.
Yeah, I thought it would feel
Heavy.
but it doesn't.
They call it studio style. It must, for someone who has skin like yours, not many pimples. Like mine, I did try so many times with this studio foundation. It didn't work very well, which means I had a lot of pimple and acne scars. The different color of even brighter from your skin tone.
Okay.
We're going to blend them together. So it's just you just give them a little bit.
How did you begin to learn about makeup?
It's when I was modeling for a while.
Yeah.
We have to always wear your own makeup to do cast. So now we're going use the rest of them into your
Into the beard.
beard.
Yeah.
Make a little bit.
Yeah,
Color.
to sort of balance it all out.
Yeah.
Even the tone across the whole face.
And you can gently apply to your ear. From the bottom to the up.
Okay.
Because you want your neck, chin, double chin.
There is no double chin, huh?
No.
Thank you.
If you would like to cover even more, because we can really tell, right? If you see the camera from yourself, you can feel here is a little bit more shade.
Yeah, you can see it looks
Right.
like darker.
But I will really suggest you maybe not going to apply too much concealer.
Yeah.
Because it will just make you look even more heavier.
Yes, yes. You still want it to have a natural look,
Yeah.
because you can still
So-
see some of my freckles underneath.
Yeah, because the more you apply, the more you look heavy like a mask.
Does this powder help to keep the skin dry from oil?
And foundation, and also make your skin softly. So now we already finished most of them from the basic skin look, and now I'm going to do your eyebrow.
Okay.
Fill it up.
Yes, I think I would like them to be
Yeah.
thicker, you know?
You have
Slightly
really
thicker.
beautiful the eyebrow shade. So I just,
They're quite long as well. Some of my eyebrows are quite long.
that's nice. Can you look fun? See?
Oh yeah, look at the difference. Because then I guess part of the skill now is to make them look the same.
Yeah. If you use powder to draw your eyebrow, it will even more look
Full.
soft.
Soft, okay.
Soft. We're trying to make the center more pop.
I think that's also the thing with when you're applying makeup is to do it stage by stage, bit by bit. Because if you try to do too much
Yeah.
on one side, you
Yeah.
might forget what you have
Yeah.
to do on the other side.
True.
And then one side will be missing something.
Yeah.
Now, what happens if you are doing something and you look at it and you think, oh, I don't like that?
And you just remove it.
You just remove it.
Yeah. That's how I do here. Ding.
So if I smile.
Look.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Well,
So if I
we
smile-
paint the color right now.
Yeah,
but we're
because it
gonna
looks
go
like you're
into-
painting a cartoon.
Yeah.
So if I do this, then you can sort of see,
Which one?
and you can see how wide the nose goes. Josh, how do you know where to use the dark color and where to use the light color?
More shine, and you just apply brighter, right? And you want it more look more invisible.
Yeah,
You
use the
just apply
dark.
the darker,
Okay.
and that's how you play with the contour. Can you see your nose mouth
Yeah.
look more straight?
Yeah.
So if from the here you still feel the shade
Yeah.
little bit too much,
Yeah.
don't worry. Just take out those powder, brush on the clean
Yep.
paper,
Yeah,
and we still keep playing with here.
just circular movements.
Yeah, just blend them out.
Blending it out. Yeah, make the most of the whole experience. Hey.
Actually, this is most them from your eyebrow until your nose. But now I'm going to make it more contour.
Okay. Maybe sort of also to make the face look more like chiseled.
Yeah.
More of a sharp,
Yeah, definitely.
masculine, quite a masculine look.
Yeah. So for usually the men, you want how the look. This is how you can go to the work.
Yeah.
Because you look really fresh
Yeah.
already. I always start from, because it seems you have the facial hair.
Yeah.
I always suggest just start from your facial hair. Maybe we start from this way. I
Okay.
can see your face.
Oh, right, okay.
Apply, and then you dump some out, and you start. The most first hit
Yep.
is most heavy look, but
Okay.
we're going to from our hair,
Yeah.
and now going down. But if you don't know how to start from exactly the shade, you smile. So here, if you can see those little bit, we want those all
Yeah.
down. So we can do even a little bit more heavier from the chin to here.
I think also one of the things that affects the shape of my face, it's not just the beard, the facial hair, it's the color of the facial hair, because there's quite a lot of gray.
Turn gray
There's
now.
gray facial hair, yeah.
Yeah.
So it can cause a lot of lightness
Yeah.
in different parts.
So apply some under the chin. Yeah. You will more nice angle on the edge here. Can you tell you here is already light up?
Yeah,
And here a little bit still.
yeah. I never thought about putting anything on top of the beard.
Could you look straight? So
Shall I lift?
yeah, yes please. And now we're giving you the light highlights.
Highlights.
If you don't know how to apply it, this highlight is for beginner to use. 1, 2, 3, and smile. 4 here. 1 more, from chin to here, and left some powder from here. Just blend the powder them out, get them into our skin. It's for men natural look. This is totally done because after the contour. But if you want to go out at party, Christmas is coming, and you want to your eyes even more mystery look, more fancy, because it's going to have party at night with a friend. And how should we just keep the same thing from before, and then we're going to the after right now.
Adding a bit more. And is that what we add? Is that good for if you're wanting to do photos? Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna close your eyes. If you're not comfortable, tell me, okay? So this I'm applying for you is still the same concealer, because we're going to do a little bit party look. Apply all of your eyes.
Okay.
So close your eye. And we're gonna just apply them, blend them all in. How about I do your one eye first?
Okay.
And then we can do the other side second.
Yeah.
And to compare how difference between not going out for party, the normal look.
Sure.
From behind, just a little bit. Gosh, it is so fun. I mean, it's even more fun I do for myself. Straight to the down.
So this shadowing here actually
Really helping you.
lifts the eye.
Your eye.
Yeah.
So close your eye. And now we're going to just blend it. Can you tell your eyes?
Yeah, that looks good.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's what I'm saying
Okay.
about perfect.
Let's do both.
Yeah,
Okay.
Of course, we have to do both. It's a very important part. Damn, the camera just went out.
This will be in the bloopers. You want to cover the freckles.
I'm trying to, yeah.
Okay.
But it will be heavy.
It will be
heavy on
huh?
the reality, yeah. But for photo shoot, will be
Okay.
fine. And close your eyes.
So, hey everyone, if you enjoyed this tutorial and you've learned some great things from it, this is the thing that you can do when it comes to Christmas parties. You can just emphasize your natural look, ready for the Christmas season. More and more men are doing it and enjoying it. Why not take care of yourself and be proud of your appearance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
如果你们喜欢今天的视频的话，不要忘记点个赞、订阅以及分享哦。
I looked at that. I looked at myself. I need to look at the camera. I'll try one more.
Sure.
This is so... It was fun. It was great.
Wow, your skin look too perfect. You can help me to say if you
go out for a Christmas party because it's so natural look. Yeah, too. Because you when you get them, you take out the picture. Yeah, right. Yeah, you band with family. Yeah, you all look great. Yeah.
I already said anything and we recorded.
Yeah, it's all there. It's all there.
If you like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Thank you.
How was it?
I think it's perfect.